Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one, you can eat. Correct. Number two, our baby depends. Yes, that's right. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob eats a hamburger every Monday. Bob eats a hamburger every Monday. Hamburger. A hamburger is food with a bun made of bread and a patty made of meat. Now we can make a flashcard for hamburger. Please make a card like this. Write hamburger up here in the top left corner. H-A-M-B-U-R-G-E-R. The bread is called the bun. The meat we call the patty. Down here, F-O-O-1. This means food. Level 1. Over here, the number 22 out of 50. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Ham. Burger. Hamburger. Number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. The baby depends on Jennifer. The baby depends on Jennifer. The baby depends on Jennifer. The baby is very young. It cannot talk or walk or go shopping. It needs Jennifer. It depends on Jennifer. Now we can make a flashcard for to depend on somebody. Please make a flashcard like this. To depend on somebody. For example, baby and parents. Vid1 means verb idiom level 1. And the number is 10 out of 76. And this is also a phrasal verb in your dictionary. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Depend on. Depend on. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned 1. Hamburger, yes. And our baby depends on us. Yeah, this is a phrasal verb. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. They had a fight. Yes, not a happy situation. Number 2, floor heating. Yes, they have this in Korea. The floor is warm and you can heat the house. Number 3, similar to remember, memorize. Correct. Today is Wednesday, July 23rd. If you are new, welcome. This is a complete 2-year course. Our schedule is rotating, so you can join anytime. Why not today? Please write your language on the other side of the card. What language do you speak at home? Oh, I know that one. It's easy. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.